Today I am so excited to be reviewing the latest from Allure Beauty Box. And this is what the box looks like inside. Lovely. The brochure. And I'm going to put these little babies on and see what's inside. Okay. Now the first thing that I see in here is the 111 Skin Brightening Booster. Apparently vitamin C is one of the attributes for this. This is for the skin and it's to brighten. What I see here are tips from the editors in this nice little sheet about how to use this. It says boosters are super concentrated formulas made with a single active ingredient such as hyaluronic acid, retinol, or vitamin C, like the one from 111 Skin in this month's box. They're turbocharged to instantly stimulate skin and target specific concerns, including pigmentation, dehydration, or breakouts. And I actually have a breakout right there. You can use one alone or mix it with serum or moisturizer. Apply your products from lightest to heaviest and wait in between each one to increase absorption. I usually wait like maybe 20-30 seconds in between, maybe even a whole minute. But let's continue and see what this baby looks like. This is it, and I believe this is full size. This runs for $155 US. Allure is not playing with the skin game. Okay, this is the size of the bottle, and this is the size of the box. And I will, wow, okay. Size of the box, size of the bottle. This is $155. Wow, wow. And this is a brightening booster. So this is 20 ml, which is 0.68 fluid ounces. So it's not even, okay. And we'll see what it looks like on the inside. And it's obviously a dropper. It is clear. Let's see if it has a scent. Not really. Try a little there. No. I'm kind of disappointed. I thought it would smell like vitamin C or citrus. And it does not. So I apply it. It feels like an oil, like a straight out oil. There might be a slight delicate scent to it, but it's really light. But it's not, it smells more like a botanical than it does an straight out fragrance. The next thing I received here is from Dieco. If you can see that there. Has a cute little bubble top. What is this? This is part of a set. A Dieco Double Act Shadow Stick. That's that. Okay. And this goes for $25 US. What? How do you make a smoky eye look naturally messed up as opposed to, well, a train wreck? This multitasking pencil is an excellent start. On one end, you'll find dusk, a deep chocolatey brown, and on the other, a warm bronzy brown called Dawn. Yay! While each looks great worn alone as a liner, these creamy, easily blendable shades really shine when paired together. Nice. Then what is this then? Is this this is a sharpener. That's how cute it is. Oh, that's so nice. The next product I have here is from a company called Glen. That's B.Glen. And this is their clay wash. Interesting. It's called the Glen Clay Wash Mild Facial cleanser. So there's natural clay in this creamy formula. It acts like a vacuum for impurities and excess sebum, which I may just try. A decongesting clay formula crafted with sensitive skin in mind. I'm breaking out here lately and I don't know why. It could be stress. I'm not sure. I think this is a sample size. The full size reads at $44. This couldn't possibly be $44, so I'm assuming that it's a sample. And it's 15 gram or 0.53 ounces. Beverly Glen Laboratories. Oh my goodness. Something from a near dear old friend, Pixie. This is the Pixie Beauty Lip Glow. Wow, and this retails for $14 US. Okay. Let's see. There we go. This is in the shade Ruby. Here we go. The signature light green color, and I guess that's what the shade is supposed to look like. Yeah, it's pretty close. Nice. And I guess it raises here. Yeah. Very nicely. Let's see how it looks on the skin. It's like a lip tint, definitely. That's pretty. It has a slight scent. I don't know whether to decide where it's it feels like a combination of a mint and what is it? It's Ahava. And this is their mineral hand cream, Dead Sea Water mineral hand cream. That is interesting. And this is 40 ml or 1.3 fluid ounce. This retails for $24 US and you can get it at their website. Let's see what this is about. Okay, there's no seal on this. There is a scent. It has like this oddly familiar yet not my favorite kind of scent. Gardenia. It kind of smells like gardenia. Gardenia has that weird, some people love the smell of gardenia, and I know it's applied in perfumes. I'm not a big fan of gardenia though, but that's the scent that I'm getting. It absorbs well into the skin. Okay, what else do we have here? Something from a company called Masky. And this is the Masky Serum Infused Eye Mask. Love eye masks. Love anything that moisturizes and plumps and helps to refresh and soothe the area around the eye. So, interesting. It's rather skinny too. For a moment, I thought it was an actual mud mask. So is this? Oh, so it mentions if you have naturally dark circles around the eyes. So this actually, it's like, they call it a thin runny gel. So we're gonna see what this looks like. It feels cooling as you tap it on, and you rinse it off after the recommended 8 minutes. Okay. And notice that the eyes were less puffy. So this is like a fancy thing that, do I want to sit for 8 minutes? I don't know. How much does this baby cost? I'm assuming this is full size. The price for this is $56 US. It has a little piece at the end. I don't know how I feel about sitting for 8 minutes. 8 minutes. It's a long time to sit and wait for something that you need to wipe off after. goodness. Okay, it's finally coming loose. Don't mind me. I think I'm gonna put it on this. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Something just squirted out. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, it's everywhere. All right, this is rather messy. As you see, it's like all over my hand. Oof, okay. But that's what it looks like. It looks muddy. Kind of looks like baby food. Okay, so I'm just, there seems to be texture in it. You see that? I don't know, this kind of reminds me of dirt. I don't know how I feel about that. It smells like, it smells earthy, but not like earth. I guess it would say botanical. I'm just not, I don't know how I feel about this being around my eye. And for 8 minutes, okay. Yeah. In case you were wondering what the theme was, it's full refresh. Spring is all about renewal, and if we have ever needed it, this is the time. We may be outfitted in face coverings again this year, but there's still something joyful and optimistic about the first crocuses coming through. In the spirit of beginning anew, we stock the March box with products that will bring a breath of fresh air to your routine. There's a radiance-making serum from 111 Skin, a brightening eye mask by Masky, and a pink tulip tinted lip balm from Pixie that says cheers, a bouquet of the real deal, a precursor to bright days ahead. What did I think overall of the Allure box? I liked it. There were some products that I never heard of, such as the Glen, which was fairly interesting. The 111 Skin, I'm intrigued. I will definitely be trying that, and I will post a future review on that. The Ahava, a lot of it seems to be very low-key. There's not, you know, it's not bold on fragrances, which is good for anybody who is allergic or can't deal with any kind of fragrance or odor. Everything is just very low-key. I'm just impressed that this is over $100. What? That is wild. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.